Hi, my name is Avanti Prahlad and I'm the VP of Product at UB Interactive. And welcome to our webinar on UB's next generation interactive whiteboard. Today I'll be taking you through what UB is and how it compares to other interactive whiteboard solutions. I'll take you through the setup process, show you a few basic interactions, and take you through some common use cases. We'll finally wrap up with some pricing information, educational discount information, and I'll also explain to you how you can sign up for your own free trial of UB. UB is a complete solution consisting of hardware and software that makes any surface interactable with your finger or the UB pen. The hardware consists of the UB sensor and an emitter. The UB sensor can be mounted on the ceiling or on the wall using the mounts that we provide. The emitter should be placed on a flat surface that you want to make interactive. The sensor is connected to the PC via a USB cable and it communicates wirelessly with an emitter. The UB works with almost any projector, and we recommend using a projector with a brightness of at least 2000 lumens. UB currently supports Windows 7, 8, and 10. The sensor is connected to the PC via USB and it communicates wirelessly with the emitter. UB is a complete solution consisting of hardware and software that makes any flat surface interactable with the finger or the UB pen. The main advantage of UB over other interactive whiteboard solutions is that it's really easy to set up, the hardware required is minimal, you can use any flat surface, including whiteboards, and it's really easy to use. To set up UB, download and install the UB application. Once you've activated the software, UB will take you through step-by-step instructions on how to set up UB. You will first be prompted to choose your mount type and proceed to mount the UB sensor. After you connect the sensor to the PC, you'll be taken to a preview screen that shows you what the sensor sees. Once you make sure the sensor can see the whole display, click Calibrate. As you can see, calibration is a super fast process requiring little to no effort on your part. At this point, you can start interacting using the UB pen. If you would like to use finger touch capability, you will be taken through a series of steps showing you how to mount the emitter on your surface. As you can see, the overall setup process is relatively quick and easy. Now let's get to interacting. UB supports all Windows 8 gestures, such as tapping, swiping, zooming in and out. With the UB pen and the UB Annotation app, you can write precisely and accurately. Now I'm going to go over some common use cases using UB. UB actually supports any Windows 7, 8, and 10 application. So first let's go over the UB Annotation tool. The UB Annotation tool can be accessed through the UB menu, and it basically allows you to annotate over any content. It can be a Word doc or a PDF document. It can be your browser. It can be a Metro app, or it could actually be the UB whiteboard function. The UB whiteboard function is actually quite nice because it facilitates brainstorming sessions in your classroom. As you can see, we have a very simple menu with a few basic color choices and pen thickness selection. When you're done creating your content, simply quit UB and save your annotations as images. Let's go over our next use case. Many teachers often ask me if it's possible to annotate over the browser. Windows 7 and 8 users actually don't have an easy inbuilt tool to be able to do this. If you want to do this, you can actually use the UB Annotation tool. So let's go ahead and open up the browser. Here's a standard Wikipedia page. Now using the UB Annotation tool, we can actually make markups and annotations quite easily. And when you're done, quit UB and save content as images. Finally, let's go over our edition and pricing information. For our educational customers, we actually have a dedicated page at ub-interactive.com/educate. This page actually has some nice information about use cases, apps that other educators find useful, as well as some customer stories. And at the bottom of this page, we actually have our pricing table that's customized for educators. As you can see, we have 4 editions of our hardware plus software package: basic, professional, business, and enterprise. These packages are primarily differentiated on the number of touch points that they support. The basic package supports 1 mouse point, and the way to think about it is that it basically functions like a mouse. So your finger interactions or pen interactions mimic that of a mouse. The professional edition supports 1 touch point, which basically means you can tap and swipe. The business edition actually supports 2 touch points, which enables you to zoom in and out using 2 fingers. And the enterprise edition supports 20 touch points, and you would really only need this if you want to have multiple people come up to the board or to interact at the same time. If you're interested in purchasing one of these packages for your organization, go to the Get Discount page to request more information on education and nonprofit discounts. If you're interested in trying UB, visit our Try Demo page, which outlines 2 options for you to try UB. The first option is to actually try the physical hardware. For $249, you buy the hardware. It comes with a 30-day free trial of UB's Enterprise Edition software. If you're unhappy with the hardware or the software, simply return the software and hardware to us within 30 days for a full refund. The second way you can try UB is to request a live demo or an online demo, and someone from the UB team will schedule a demo for you and answer any questions that you may have. Okay, so that concludes our webinar. Thank you very much for attending. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly at avanti@ubinteractive.com. That's avanti@ub-interactive.com. We're also looking to talk to teachers to find out more about how we can make UB more relevant in the classroom. So please feel free to email me with any suggestions or feedback that you may have. Thank you.